AI learns patterns from data to decide. It turns raw information into useful actions. Learning finds patterns we cannot see. Then it applies them to new data. Here is how it works. We start with data and choose an algorithm. Training adjusts parameters to reduce error. The result is a model that maps inputs to outputs. With new data, the model makes predictions. We evaluate results and iterate to improve. This pipeline powers most AI systems you use every day. Different algorithms learn in different ways. Linear regression fits a line or plane that best predicts a numeric target. Decision trees split data by rules, creating paths that lead to decisions. K-nearest neighbors predicts by the most similar examples nearby. Neural networks stack layers to learn complex, nonlinear patterns. We choose algorithms based on task and data. Matrices move data through layers and combine features efficiently. Probability models uncertainty and helps turn scores into calibrated chances. Gradients show how to change parameters to reduce loss step by step. Vector math measures similarity, direction, and scale in feature spaces. Inputs activate neurons in the first layer. Hidden layers transform features, building higher-level representations. The output layer produces predictions with confidence scores. AI blends data, algorithms, and math. Learn AI with math and machine minds. Subscribe for more.